Getting from Funan IT Mall, walking from here to City Hall Mrt. Let's go. This is a basement tour of the Funan IT Mall. Lots of like restaurants on both sides. Sushi Express. Like the mascot, Singapore a lot of mascot. This is like the sushi on top of the head, right? Subway. Kazo Premium. Yakong Kaato, Charter Rest. Panda Chan. Oh. Yeah, actually this way, just now I remember it this way. Last time I went to the Adelphi, right? I also came down the same way, come to Funan. So now from Funan, go back the same way, there's another path back to the MRT. Hey, I'm curious, now they sell flowers in the vending machine. I never seen this before, man. My first time. So many outlets. This shop very big, I call the Brave Planet. Lots of plushies and soft toys. Wow, look at that. You see on the left side because on the right side go to Adelphi. Oh, it's a long passage, and the top has many colors, yellow and stuff. Advertisement on the way. It's like the lights they change color. Or am I saw illusion? Now it's orange, yellow. Any chance to the blue? But it's a yellow and orange, or our eyes are playing trick on us. I'm not sure. So you can see here, right? Capital Singapore and Raffles Way to the left side. Funan Adelphi is behind me. So we enter Capital Singapore is another mall. This is the first time I walk this way. Normally I go out and then I walk to the City Hall Mrt, but that may be too lazy. It's very atas kind of mall here. Simon's. Lots of stores, lots of restaurants and shops. Wow. Nice elephants. And the bucket. 2 cranes. A nice t-shirt in front. Area 404. Not found. I think it's good that there's the indoor kind of stuff walking. So if it's raining or too hot, people can still come here to have a little stroll. I mean, you don't need to bring umbrella, and there's aircon. And if you're hungry, right, or Thursday, just pop into some of these small cafes or even bakeries to enjoy their snacks. Hey, I think the star is from here, is it? Area 404. I never heard of this shop before. Normally I encounter this on the laptop. You cannot go on some website, But that stuff, and that person is going straight. So maybe it's just coincidence. Or maybe she's going to the having dinner with her boyfriend. And here we reach already so fast, City Hall. Seriously, it's not like too far, it's about 5 minutes walk only. Wow. It's already like knockout time for the bar break, 7 p.m. Actually, I'm taking the train to Lavender, from there to walk to the Golden Mile Tower. Explore some of the stuff there. So from here, gonna turn left. Just follow the t-shirt, the Area 404. No lah, kidding. Actually, it's like, yeah, this is the way to the MRT. It's just coincidence that we are going the same path. this is central, man. I mean, lots of stuff to explore here. You know, there's a Singapore Civil Defense Heritage Gallery, or firefighting, and then there's Funan Center, IT Mall. There's Adelphi Mall, lots of speakers and reading records there. There's even the Raffles City Mall, and also you can go and visit the Civilian War Memorial, as well as the Suntec City, and even the Esplanade and the Funan Park is walkable from here. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Remember to like, subscribe and share if you enjoy the video. Bye bye.